Don't do that. She's gonna do it her. She's like, see how you like it. Why do you keep chewing on her? That's what she does. She chews on her.
Someone got her tail or something. Poor Brownie.
Oh, she heard something up there. She's like, oh.
Go boy.
No reason. Do you see him over there?
Can you zoom on that thing?
Kinda, yeah. It's not letting me zoom.
Get her tail. Watch him. Watch. She's gonna turn around and snap. This Brownie's chewing on the tail.
She won't snap in a mean way, though.
Yeah, I know. Come here, Brownie. Climb over, Mommy. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Brownie!
Now go get Mommy. Go get Mommy.
It's like a doggy roll.
She got your neck.
She got her neck. Dead puppy! Oh.
Look at that.
Dead puppy! I'm dead too. And then, of course, the instigator.
Come here, baby. Come here, Evil. Evil Knievel! Oh, here, watch this. She has something.
She done.
Brownie, see how many glasses?
Snickers.
Her name is not Snickers.
Itty bit snicker chewy
Emily.
Emily.
What else was she?
Sice. Do you hear the noise?
Yeah, I know. No!
Don't pull her by the leg.
I'm trying to get her.
Now you're gonna come play with me?
That's mine.
No, take the camera and look at it. Oh, Callie.
Look at those saggy
Emily,
boobs.
stop. Porno. Look, they don't want to know what the string is. She stands on it.
I know she does that. What do you have? Well, what do you have? What do you have? Oh no, her tooth's stuck.
Look at Brownie. Hey, Brownie. Callie attacks her.
And Kalli attacks the puppy. Here. You hold it.
Oh, I'm seeing you all right.
Get her!
If she wants to lick you.
Ow.
Brownie! Brownie, come here. Brownie. Hey. Callie.
Who's a guy girl?
What do they got? Just the strings. Junior. Snickers.
Who's
and Brown. Yep.
Look at that.
Brownie. Hold on. It's a little close. That's Brownie with the red, pink
And
color. Color. That's Kalli. That's Junior.
And we're in the middle of a hurricane.
With the purpley diamondy collar right there. And that's Evil. Evil with the green collar that you can't really see. You can't really tell it's green. That's Evil. And that is our little family. And that is Emily, who puts her head down there, calls the puppies, and then complains about it. Yeah. That's Emily's butt. Not really, that's just her thigh hanging over. And her belly hanging over. And her one morphed boob. Playing with Brownie, Kalli, Snickers, and Junior.
Alicia, watch this.
What is she trying to catch?
My breath.
She stole your breath. Puts a whole new meaning to let me catch my breath. Come on, Kalli. Yeah.
Okay. One time I did that with Evil, and she bit my lip. Stop! I'll kick you. Ew! I will hit you.
What am I doing? Look at my hair. My hair all the way down there. Look at my funny looking feet. See where it's broken? My toe, you can tell where it's broken right there. Brownie!
She was in the middle of walking and she just went,
That's what she usually does. Junior! Snickers! Kalli! Brownie!
Still scratching the same itch.
Brownie!
Come here, Bob! Come here.
Brownie.
That's like the cutest little picture. Oh my gosh! Where's my phone?
Look how big my jeans are. Look at that. Do you see that? All that. It's like Brownie's skin. Look, I can morph my leg. It's craziness. Brownie, come here! Oh, look, Snickers is falling asleep.
Snickers is not.
For some reason, my camera doesn't let me zoom in or zoom out. Look,
Here comes Brownie, watch her.
I'm gonna lay right here. Ew. Look, Kalli's like, oh. Sleepy puppy.
Look at Snickers. I mean, itty bit.
Junior's the only one. The only one with the puppies.
Oh my gosh! Don't we still have some dog treats? We could totally get them dog treats.
Junior's getting sleepy, but itty bit.